Hi, everyone. Welcome to Backstage Con, KubeCon, North America 2025. I'm excited to be here. Unfortunately, there's a slight change in plans. I am actually not Andrew Sale. My name is Stanley Nicholl from the customer success team at Spotify Backstage. Andrew couldn't be here, but it's my gain. I get to be up here on the stage with you all, so I'm very excited to talk to you about a topic that's very near and dear to my heart as well. With that, at Spotify, we live and breathe platform engineering and developer experience. We built Backstage originally to be the definitive open framework for building developer portals, and I believe the flexibility and its extensibility is what allows our engineering organizations to create that truly single pane of glass for all of your technical infrastructure. However, over time, we recognized another critical need. We needed to make sure that the power that Backstage can provide everyone is accessible to everyone out there, especially for organizations that maybe don't have fully dedicated engineering structures, resources, or time devoted to platform engineering in order to make Backstage this rich, powerful thing that delivers on that promised value. That's why we introduced Spotify Portal. This is our commercial IDP offering, which is opinionated, battle-tested, and it's now scaled for the AI enterprise. It's a solution that balances both things, the simplicity of SaaS on one side and the flexibility and extensibility of the Backstage platform and its ecosystem. And today, we're thrilled to reinforce our announcement from last month. Spotify Portal is officially GA. No longer Backstage in a box, and it's beyond battle-tested now. We've got organizations using it with hundreds of engineers, tens of thousands of components in their instance. And we've introduced new features that make Portal more opinionated and capable than it's ever been. For instance, for onboarding simplicity, we've got the onboarding wizard, which enables what we call a managed by Portal flow, allowing your teams to be able to create and update components right in the UI without the need for YAML files. Additionally, when you're looking into customization, we have recently built Portal Plugin Studio, allowing you to create giving you a streamlined experience and to build safely build plugins locally, directly with production data. We've also integrated Soundcheck Tech Insights to turn compliance results into insights for your leadership teams. And then certainly last but not least, 100% is our Confidence platform is now fully integrated into Portal. Confidence is Spotify's experimentation platform, the crucial safety net in an era of accelerated AI development. Portal is now supercharged with everything you need for AI-first enterprise. But to master that chaos caused by AI's unprecedented code growth, an IDP must become the central control plane for your organization. We're making a major bet at Spotify. AI enables a paradigm shift rather than incremental benefit. But on this viewpoint, we believe platform engineering is still the answer to managing that incredible amount of code and complexity, and platform engineering principles will help simplify and improve outcomes leveraging AI. Portal delivers on 3 of these critical advantages in harmony with AI. The first, centralizing developer portal tools and processes helps AI agents easily navigate your tech infrastructure and provides them with relevant context. Second, standardization through the usage of golden paths and golden tech makes code more predictable and enabling AI to perform autonomous coding and large-scale changes in a much safer fashion. And then lastly, discoverability. Making internal documentation and knowledge discoverable ensures that AI knows exactly what your organization knows. How do we put this at the core of Portal? I'm glad you all asked. Agentic ICA. This is our AI knowledge assistant integrated directly into Portal. It's not just the chatbot, it's much more like a senior engineer available to help support 24/7. The key differentiator is ICA is intelligent enough to understand your business because it draws on 2 critical, deeply integrated elements. The first is proprietary context MCP servers. ICA reasons across your centralized data and connected third-party systems to provide organizational specific answers and best practices right where the developer is working. Second, the actions registry. This is what makes ICA truly agentic. The registry allows plugins to define distributed actions that are surfaced as tools via an MCP server, which means it can chain calls together, helping you complete complex multiple steps, such as querying the catalog for component data and creating an associated issue in GitHub. When developers see how this effect has happened, and they're seeing how well ICA is able to answer questions about your library, they're incentivized to keep their own documentation up to date and accurate. This usage of AI is actually changing human behavior, improving the quality of your internal knowledge, which then in turn makes the agents more intelligent and more impactful. Within Spotify, we call this the discovery quality flywheel. In summary, the Spotify portal doesn't just host your AI, it uses agentic capabilities and your institutional knowledge to actively make your engineering both faster and smarter.